as you can see, we are here. This is the Uli waterfall, the longest and biggest in West Africa. Wow! I don't know if I should swim, but let's see what happens before the end of this vlog. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your guy Enfil again. Like I told you, at the Volta region, exploring the whole of Volta region. So guys, as you can see, we are at the waterfall here in the Volta region, and I know it's a mad place to be, so I don't want to leave you guys out. I'm going to chill with you guys over there, but before then, don't forget to subscribe, like these videos, and don't forget to share the links also. For now, let's go and check the waterfalls.
So this is just close to the reception. Let's go to the reception.
Okay, so this is our tour guide right here. We're almost there. Look at this beautiful mountain that before the water comes from. Wow, let's get closer, guys. Whew. So this is Wuli, like they mention it over here by the natives. They call it the Wuli waterfall. Such a beauty, guys. So I don't know if I should swim, but let's see what happens before the video if I'm going to do that. Yo guys, so as you can see, we are here. This is the Uli waterfall, the longest and biggest in West Africa. Wow! I don't know if I should swim, but let's see what happens before the end of this vlog. So large. Wow! This is Africa. I love my continent, guys. Wow! The beauty of Africa. And this is so chill. Whoa, I must confess, I have to swim. Guys, so let's go and enjoy this amazing fall because I cannot stand it.
Alright guys, let's go.
Guys, so it was so nice walking through this water, okay? And God, I can't forget this feeling, guys. It was so nice, and literally it's so chill, okay? It was so chill at that moment, and I felt this different, like I had this different feeling that I was like, wow, I never knew this kind of things really exist until I went to Volta region, because I'm not that water, like I don't go to the beach, I don't go to pool, like I'm always indoor, and the kind of way I like to chill is far away from water because I know I don't know how to swim. So I never knew this thing was too chill. It was too chill. And as soon as I got close, so initially I wanted to go, but I was afraid because we were just two people trying to get to that end. So we were there, and later on two other guys came in, and they also had that same dream of getting so close. So we united and we went for it. And It was so amazing. At least I achieved something this time around. Oh god, this feeling. I wish I was in Volta region right now. I can't imagine having this fun again. Guys, you need to visit Blue Waterfall. It's a very nice place and it's in Volta region of Ghana. You can't miss such a place when you travel to Ghana. Or even if you're here in Ghana, you have to go and visit because this place, God, you can't miss. It's so nice. Even me that I don't know how to swim, I was able to have good fun and all that. But guys, hey, don't forget, I will be putting the story behind this whole village and all that after this video, so you can check out later on for that video as well. You get to know the history of Bully Waterfall and the people, the village as well. But hey, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Let's go it together, and don't forget to like it and share. And your comments is really needed as well because this year we are growing our channel. Yes, we are growing our channel, and I know you don't want to miss it. Please be here and let's grow this channel together. But before I go, don't forget to stay safe. Guys, we're gonna meet again on the next vlog. Bye bye.